In that body camera video, you can hear Tiger Woods telling a deputy he had taken a few medications before getting behind the wheel. It may be a warning about something many drivers may not realize. You can be arrested for DUI even if the drugs are legally prescribed. Investigative reporter Terry Parker joining us live in the newsroom. Terry, you spoke to experts who say they see this every day.
Yes, Felicia, defense attorneys and addiction specialists tell me you may not realize that even doctor-prescribed drugs that are in your medicine cabinet could lead straight to a DUI, even if you didn't take them as prescribed or if you simply got behind the wheel after taking one.
Do you take any medication?
I take a few, yes.
In newly released body cam, Tiger Woods tells deputies he had taken multiple medications before driving and crashing into another vehicle. And while alcohol wasn't detected in Woods' case, he was arrested.
And you can, in fact, be charged with driving under the influence if it affects you to the extent that your normal faculties are impaired.
That warning printed right on many pill bottles. But here's the disconnect.
When people see don't operate heavy machinery, they think about, I'm not, driving a tractor. But the truth is, it's a lot safer to drive a tractor in a field than to be driving at 60 miles an hour, 70, 80. Not that I ever do that, but on I-95. And in congested traffic. People don't think of their car as heavy machinery, but it absolutely is.
Addiction specialist Dr. John Dybin says he sees it all the time, especially among people here in South Florida, middle-aged or older and taking multiple medicines. Even one dose of something like Xanax can slow reaction time or cloud judgment.
If they cause us to become impaired, we can still cause danger behind the wheel.
And particularly if you're mixing them with any other substance, maybe a glass of wine at dinner, that type of thing. Can you talk about the danger there?
When you mix them with alcohol, it has a synergistic effect that dramatically increases the risk of something going wrong. And in some of them, it can be life-threatening.
On the legal side, these cases, even without that glass of wine, can be complicated.
But I think most people that get charged with DUI based on prescription medication are not taking it the way they're told to take it.
Defense attorney Greg Lerman says if your prescribed medication is impacting your thought process or your ability to walk or talk,
then you need to understand if you get stopped, even for speeding, you could end up going to jail and charged with driving under the influence of a controlled substance. That is a charge. They will arrest you. They will suspend your license if you get convicted.
and if you do get stopped and you say, hey, I better not take a urinalysis because I did take some medication, realize that police in Florida can automatically suspend your license for a year right there before you ever get into court. And meanwhile, Dr. Dybin tells me the main thing you should do is anytime you go to a doctor and they prescribe medication, ask them straight up, is it safe to drive on this and are there any side effects? Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.
Terry, thank you for that. For our full WPBF 25 News complete coverage of Tiger Woods' arrest and more of this new body camera video, you can go to our website, WPBF.com. And you can also download our free WPBF 25 News app. We'll have it there. You can also see all of our previous reporting at both places.